Hello, my fellow grocery addict. It's Jackie. I am back at Aldi. It's another Monday, but I'm going to be honest. I didn't want to come today. It was one of those cold, rainy Mondays. It still is that way, but I just want to stay home. I didn't want to do anything, but I need to eat. My family needs to eat, so here I am. I'm hoping that I'll get some red sticker goodness for pushing through my laziness, but we'll see. So let's get in the store, see what I get, and I will share with you my meal plan at the end. Okay, to start off, we are getting more of these to add to charcuterie, $2.95. Everyone likes these. We're getting Jimmy John's later this week, the actual subs, but I'm not going to buy sides there. I'm going to pack these chips, $2.19. Oh no, I wanted a baguette for charcuterie. That's like our favorite part, but it's not here. Say it with me now, white bread, $1.29. Peanut butter sandwiches, toast. I'm gonna get red grapes again, super simple lunch edition, $1.89 a pound. I need green onions and cilantro for burrito bowls, 85 cents a piece. I wanted cauliflower, but they once again do not have cauliflower, so we'll have green beans as our side, $1.65. I'm getting peas for my kids' lunch. They really like these and they're super simple to keep in there, $2.39. Getting lettuce. My 11-year-old wants in her lunch salads, and then we just have it with burrito bowls, salads, $2.95. Navel oranges to make the orange juice, $4.29. We are the snack family for baseball this week, so I'm gonna get mandarin as part of the offering, $3.59. We need apples, so I'm gonna get a bag of gala apples for $3.29. $2.27 for a dozen eggs. Yay! $2.65 for a gallon of 2% milk. $2.39 for vanilla almond milk. I haven't bought this stuff in a while and I love it. And $4.69 for heavy cream. We just ran out and I always keep it on hand. I'm going to get 5 of my favorite yogurts, 62 cents a piece. These things are the best. We are running low on butter and I need a lot. I'm making homemade things this week, $3.18. I'm getting 2 packs. Breadsticks, cookies, $3.89 for peanut butter, just running low. $3.29 for raspberry spread for the cookies I'm making. A must for charcuterie boards, garlic stuffed olives, $2.98. I'm gonna get the General Tso's sauce, $2.49. They moved my croutons on me, garlic and cheese, $1.19. Okay, they had this like it was normal, and then they took it away, and now it's back discounted. So I'm gonna get 2 bags, no, I'm gonna get 3 bags at $1.59 each. I love this stuff. And I can officially confirm it is now worth coming. Yay! I'm going to get 2 boxes of the variety pack for the snacks for baseball, $2.49 a piece. It's been a while since I bought my favorite granola, so that's why I got the almond milk and the yogurts, but $2.65, this is the best, and it just has sounded good to me recently. I eat it like a dessert after dinner. Those are on sale for 99 cents, and since I've been buying them so regularly, I just got 10. Hopefully he doesn't need more next week. Fruit punch. Whoops, $3.18. So we are saying goodbye to our favorite daycare provider. We haven't used her in years, but she's moving out of our neighborhood, so I want to find something for her to take to her new house. She does garden. I thought this is really pretty. So I'm thinking about getting her that. $9.99 a piece for these different shrubs. Forsythia. Oh, I like this one. I'm gonna get this one because I like that. This is the winner. This one reminds me of her. Hopefully she likes it. I like these wax melts that have 3 different scents in them. That's kind of nice. $1.89. think I'm gonna get this one, the Relax and Unwind Sage, Eucalyptus, Balsam, and Cedar. How cute are these? They're only $15. Character sneakers. This is cute. My kids would probably like that. A fairy garden kit, $15. Planter box. Lots of gardening things. I'm not buying this because I ate 2 jars of it so quickly once that I got sick of it, but that's really good. Look at these little, that'd be good for charcuterie, but we have pickles at home. Getting spaghetti, $1.88. I'm gonna try this tomato basil pasta sauce, $1.99. I haven't noticed it before, it looks really good. Last week I tried this. I didn't like it that much, but the rest of my family did. I want to make sure we have enough Parmesan for my breadsticks. I'm getting some. We probably do, but just in case, $2.89. Well, I wanted sugar, but they don't have any, so I'll just get flour. It's $2.19. They're back with their summer packs of patties. These are 30% off. That's the only meat I see with a red sticker, but I don't need meats this week. I have plenty on hand. They have so much German desserts down here. I was hoping they had my little tart that I am literally in love with. I was excited. I don't see it though. They have a lot of different German week things. The pretzels are $4.79, so probably gonna have to grab a box of those. 8 pounds of frozen chicken breast. That's tempting. I might have to come back and get that. Here's Italian meatballs. That's what I have a bunch of to use up. Still have a lot of the gluten-free stuff. Duck, seafood, different stir-fry vegetables. Huh. I am making fried rice, but I'm just going to use peas and carrots. Pretty simple. They have soups. They have mini empanadas over there. Buttered chicken. Sounds pretty good. Lots of different pizzas. They have these mini tacos. They have veggie tacos? What? I need to check this out. It's yellow corn, black beans, bell peppers, cheese, and a crispy sweet chipotle sauce. That actually sounds pretty good. So if I got these, that'd be yummy. They have the beef ones here. I think my vegetarian would probably eat those. So there's about 24 tacos in there. Okay, so it's not in the meal plan, but I am going to get these. And I'm going to get the beef version. And you'll probably see it next week on my meal plan. $5.79 a piece. We finally ate our the Village Maker pie. Loved it. Very high quality. Would buy again. Definitely worth the money. Lots of sweets. Nothing we need. I need Mexican style cheese. I'm actually going to get 2 bags. My kids love this stuff. $2.89. They love how fine it is and they love the blend. Okay, I'm not buying any waters this week, but I'm happy to see they restocked this. I was worried last week that it was gone, a goner. Okay, I need hash browns for my pancake meal, $3.29. Steamed vegetables. I know it's not traditional, but I use this for stir fry, 87 cents. And then I also cut my rice with cauliflower rice, $1.99. Okay, my kids asked me to just get some frozen breakfast choices. So I'm gonna get French toast sticks, but I don't want the double cinnamon, I want the original. So, sorry Aldi. They're $2.99, and I'm also getting a thing of waffles for $2.19. And you can guess, I wonder if you can guess who asked for vanilla ice cream, $6.49. My hubby. Okay, so they have rose bushes for $8.49. I'm actually gonna get this instead. I like that it's a little more compact, easier to move than that giant thing. And I just like the rose. So I'm making a switcheroo. Okay, I'm gonna get another bag of these. My husband found the last bag and asked for more, $1.49. I love the look of that. It's $19.99, a recipe book stand. I don't think it's very practical, but I do really like it. I just don't see myself leaving it out in the kitchen. Okay, I'm very tempted to get these again, but I ate the whole box myself last time. They're so good. They're $2.99, but yummy, yummy. Okay, so here it is. What's the damage? Any guesses? These also look good to me. Hazelnut biscuit sandwiches. Okay, I waited in line too long. I'm getting these, $3.49. Okay, so my total today was $155.31. Got a little more than I planned. Okay, so to start our week, I'm having leftovers of the shredded beef tacos I made last night. They were really good, and we're all looking forward to having them again. I made homemade rice, homemade refried beans, homemade salsa, so we have lots of things that we can have for this dinner. After leftovers, we are going to get Jimmy John's later this week. That's actually not till the end of the week, but we have a out-of-town track meet that starts right after school. So me and the kids are going to get Jimmy John's on our way to watch my older daughter. I'm going to make fried rice. I make this vegetarian, and I have a bunch of leftover barbecue chicken from last week. I'm actually going to dice that up and fry it with some of the Asian sauce I got. Don't tell my family. That's part of my evil plan of using up a lot of food we have on hand. We have half a bag or so, maybe a little more of meatballs, so I want to have spaghetti meatballs. I'm going to make air fryer green beans, and then I'm also going to make some homemade breadsticks. That'll be a good dinner. Charcuterie, we have a lot of different cheeses on hand, and I have some coming from Imperfect Foods. We got a pepperoni stick at Walmart. So I just decided we're going to have charcuterie. It's easy. Everyone likes it. And we're going to do that on a baseball night. Really simple to get out. Currently, we have middle school track twice a week with practices on the days we don't have meets. And then we also have 2 baseball games a week. So our week is busy, which is why we have easy meals. Burrito bowls. Again, I have a lot of leftover things from making the tacos, so burrito bowls will be a different way to use a lot of the different ingredients up, and it'll just be yummy. We're going to have pancakes, hash browns, and I got a new citrus juicer sent to me, so we're going to make homemade orange juice with that. And then finally, I wanted to make some raspberry cookies. These are like a crumble copycat. They look really good, and I'm excited to try them. So this is the meal plan for the week and what I bought for. If you want to see a video where I share these breadsticks and I share me actually making them as a part of what I ate in a week, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Chow down and chow.